Nobody needs to know it's a boxed pasta. Am I the only one that can't really ever get this thing on? I haven't done a cooking video in quite a while, and I thought, oh, well, let's do one now because I'm using my Instant Pot. Now, don't mind the garbage behind me. I'm well aware it's overflowing. I just put that box on there. I know. But anyway, I'm making this Betty Crocker Suddenly Salad Ranch. Let's make this in my Instant Pot because my stove over there is full of, like, there's stuff on top of it and I don't want to move it. I'm just being lazy. So I'm using my Instant Pot. I dumped the noodles in already. I also dumped them all over the floor. So those of you that watch my cooking videos, I can't cook, but I really don't want to anymore. And right now my dog is going around eating all of the pasta noodles that I dropped on the floor. But anyway, moving on. In the Instant Pot, we're gonna add some water. 1 cup. Trust me, it's going in the Instant Pot. 2 cups, 3 cups of water in the Instant Pot. That's what we're going with. It's about up to here on my finger. I know, right? Michelle, why'd you put your finger in the Instant Pot? All right, we're gonna put the lid on this. This is always the best part, so hold on. Oh, wait a minute, it's not plugged in. See, my cooking videos. Yay, yay, Michelle, let's plug this in. We're gonna pressure cook. Oh, wait a minute. Anyway, we're gonna put the lid on. This is the best part. Hear it? I can't ever, am I the only one that can't really ever get this thing on? Okay. On. Pressure cook. 13 minutes, yeah, we'll do that because why not? Make sure back here it's on seal, not vent. And there it goes. So we're gonna let those noodles cook, and I'm gonna go get my tripod to set my phone on because I'm gonna do that. But we're gonna add some other stuff to this. See, my stovetop is just full of papers. I don't want to move them. I'm gonna spice this up a little bit because who just wants to eat plain Suddenly salad when you can make it your own? I also have chicken that I've unthawed and sitting here that I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that yet either. But Suddenly salad, we're gonna add some things and just spice it up a little bit because it's a box pasta. You don't need to know. Nobody needs to know. We're gonna spice it up. Can you hear my dog crunching? She's still eating the noodles I dropped. Nobody needs to know it's a boxed pasta. You can throw the box away. Put it at the bottom of the garbage can. And when your family comes in, say, oh my gosh, look what I did. It took me all day to make this. When really it didn't. We're gonna add some things to this. I just went and picked from my garden. But, I mean, you might have stuff in your refrigerator. You can add whatever you want to this. You don't have to stick to the recipe. I have this cucumber. Oh, mess here. I don't know why my cucumber is growing in a ball. If anybody knows why that's happening, let me know. Just peeling this cucumber. And we're going to chop that up in small pieces and put it in this bowl. Now I also have a compost pile, so all of my vegetable scraps and things like that I put in my compost pile. I have this knife. We're just going to use this knife because I'm going to use this on my tomatoes. I'm going to chop this in small. Oh, see there, the Instant Pot's almost ready here. Just in small pieces. For one, it'll be easier for me to chew. And I don't know, it'll just make it look like there's more in the salad. So we're just winging this. We wing things around here. That's what we're doing. So we're just gonna scoop it up, throw it in the bowl. That's as easy as that. Now, Now I have this tomato that has grown baby tomatoes in the bottom. That's how some of my tomatoes are growing. They're coming out the bottom. Don't know why that's happening either, but let's look and see what it looks like. Looks normal. let's cut that icky off. Wow, this is a tender tomato. I don't know why it's doing that. Well, you can kind of see right there where the other tomato's coming from. Yeah, there's skin there too. That's kind of interesting, isn't it? So we're just gonna, what am I gonna do? I don't want that spot either. Just chop it up and put it in there. Put it right in there. Now that one, see? You can see that. Let me see if I can. It's like growing from one tomato into several coming out the bottom. Like baby tomatoes. Don't know why. But this looks, boy does that look good. Oh, see all that green thing. You know in restaurants you get that. If you work in a restaurant and you cut tomatoes, nobody wants to eat that thing. Nobody wants to eat that, so let's just get rid of that. There's another piece of that. Nobody really, I mean, would you want to eat that thing? I wouldn't. I normally don't. In the bowl. Just throw it all in the bowl. We're gonna put the pasta in there, and Rob's never gonna know this was a boxed salad, because I'm gonna hide the box. There's even, in the Suddenly salad, there's a dressing in here too. If you've never used Suddenly salad. I do have a few more tomatoes, but I don't think we're gonna need them. I really don't think. There. So now we're gonna just wait for the pasta to get done. Now we are gonna make the dressing that came with the box. This, of course, was the ranch one. It's so easy to cook. People that, I don't know, people that are afraid to cook, don't be. This calls for a half a cup of mayonnaise. So again, we wing things. That looks like that, maybe a little more. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. Really, it doesn't. Just stir this up. And you don't need to worry, because you can add more mayonnaise if you need to. You probably could use, I don't know, whatever you wanted to mix it up. You don't have to use the mayonnaise. So we have the bowl here. We'll move the mayonnaise out the way. Watch this. See how well that scrapes? Look at that. See how good that does? Alright, we'll toss this. And then all we have to do to this is add the pasta. You can see also that the watery tomatoes has added a little more juice to it. You could put onion in here. Rob isn't a big fan of onions. But honestly, you could put in it whatever you wanted. Alright, let's wait for the pasta to get done, and then we'll add that to this. Alright, there you go. Slowly add it to this. And then we're going to put it in the refrigerator when we're done. And there, we'll have this for dinner. Or if you have to take a salad somewhere, you could use this as the base, the Suddenly salad, and then just add to it. But the tomatoes added juice to it. I mean, we added a little extra mayonnaise. We did that. I'll refrigerate this. We're going to have it for dinner. But hashtag Let's Instant Pot. Make a video with your Instant Pot. It doesn't matter. It can be easy as this. It doesn't matter. Whatever you want to do. Let me know, and I'll put it in our playlist. And people are actually watching our playlist. I've had a couple comments and people asking me about Instant Pot things, and I've actually directed them to the playlist. So if you want to add your video to the playlist, you can. It'll be in the playlist sitting on my channel, but when people click on the video, it will take them to your channel. So if you want to add a video, let me know. Alright, I'll see you in my next video.